Hello everyone, I'm Sneha and I lead the Redmi business for Xiaomi in India. What a year 2020 has been. So we thought, why not end it with a bang? Presenting the Redmi 9 Power. I'm here today to talk about 9 reasons why you should get the Redmi 9 Power. Number 1. The 9 Power comes with a 48MP quad camera setup. It has an ultra-wide lens, a depth sensor and a dedicated macro lens as well, for you to capture all those fun memories with your friends and family. This truly is the camera phone for you. Number 2. FHD Plus display. The Redmi 9 Power comes with an FHD Plus display. It's one of the very few devices in its price segment that actually provide this display to the consumers. And the benefits of this are manifold. You get a much better, cleaner and crisper viewing experience on the FHD Plus display. What is the point of a 48MP quad camera setup or even an FHD Plus display if you're constantly worried that your phone is going to die? Which is why the Redmi 9 Power packs a massive 6000 mAh battery. Not just that, it also has an enhanced lifespan. Every other battery on an average gives you about 600 to 700 charge cycles. On the Redmi 9 Power, that's taken up to 1000, which means for almost 3 years, you get a battery which is almost as good as new. Now let's talk about the heart and soul of this device, its processor. The 9 Power is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662, which gives you a seamless experience. It also comes with MIUI 12 out of the box with some really cool optimizations like Ultra Battery Saver, Voice Changer, Game Turbo and so on. The audio on the Redmi 9 Power is also simply superb. For the very first time on a Redmi device, the 9 Power comes with high-res certified dual speakers, one on the top and one at the bottom. You guys should really try and catch a movie on this when you can. Before we move on from the hardware section, one last point. This device comes with the latest generation UFS storage versus the eMMC storage on every other product in this price segment. What it does is it gives you much faster read and write speeds, which increases the overall efficiency of your device. For example, apps start up much faster and it boosts the performance of your phone. Now let's talk about the ultra chic, the uber cool Aura power design on the Redmi 9 Power. Starting with the vertical camera array and the embossed Redmi logo on the side, I think makes it look so premium. Not just that, this textured finish not only looks great, but also is great from a utility perspective. It is smudge proof, gives you great grip. The 9 Power has a side-mounted fingerprint, but actually makes it very handy when you want to unlock your device as well. The 9 Power comes in 4 amazing colors: the electric green, the blazing blue, the mighty black and the fiery red. We at Redmi take quality very seriously, with no compromises. The 9 Power comes with TUV Rainland certified display, which means the blue light display is engineered in a way to give your eyes much lesser strain. The 9 Power comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which actually protects your device from any kind of accidental scratches, and it has a nano coating which protects against accidental spills and splashes. Guys, now that we've spoken about all the other features, whether it was the massive 6000 mAh battery, or the 48MP quad camera, or the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662, or the FHD Plus display, and the list just goes on. I think now it's time for the price. The Redmi 9 Power starts from 10,999 only. This is such a steal deal, guys. You've just got to get it.